Hi, second graders. Today we're going to listen to a story from Knowledge 2, Lesson 6 about a Hindu festival called Diwali. Our first vocabulary word for this lesson is archer. Repeat after me. Archer. An archer is someone who shoots with a bow and arrow. Our second word is custom. Say custom. Custom is something a person or group does regularly or over a period of time. Our third vocabulary word is prosperity. Say prosperity. Prosperity means success or good fortune. What is this woman holding in her hands? This woman is a Hindu and she is holding candles for Diwali. Diwali is one of the many festivals held every year by Hindus in India and around the world. Diwali means Festival of Lights. Diwali is an important festival because of what each light symbolizes. According to an ancient Indian legend, Diwali began many, many years ago to celebrate the victory or success of a king in battle. The story, however, begins with a Hindu god. As you know, Hindus worship many gods and goddesses. Who is the god Vishnu? Vishnu is known by Hindus as the protector of the whole universe. Hindus believe that long ago, when the earth was troubled by an evil demon named Ravana, Vishnu sent himself as a human being to save Earth's people from Ravana's cruelty. Vishnu's human form, born to the king of the holy city of Ayodhya, was named Rama. Prince Rama was intelligent and kind, an especially good archer. He grew up to be a noble warrior. Following Vishnu's plan, Rama left his city to fight Ravana, the evil demon. He fought a long and difficult battle. Finally, after 14 years, Rama defeated Ravana and returned home to become the new king. To celebrate his return, the people of Ayodhya lit rows of small clay oil-burning lamps called diyas. They placed these lamps in their windows, by their doors, and in the rivers and streams. The light of each lamp flame was a symbol of good, returning after years of darkness or evil. Every year thereafter, Hindus in Ayodhya repeated the custom. They would honor the strength and goodness of Rama by lighting of the lamps, and gradually the custom spread to other parts of the land. Today, Diwali is the most famous of all Indian festivals. Begun by the Hindus, Diwali is now celebrated by many Indians worldwide, not just Hindus. But the timing of the festival, which is based on the cycles of the moon, falls on different days every year, but is always in either October or November. For 5 days, people celebrate the goodness in one another. Lamps and candles illuminate windows and doorways. Walls and gateposts are strewn with tiny lights. Garlands of electric lights stretch for miles throughout the cities and the countryside. Each light stands for the good inside a person who lit it, symboling light over darkness, good over evil. Lakshmi, the Hindu goddess of wealth and prosperity, is also welcomed into the homes of the Hindu people during Diwali. In the weeks before the festival, Hindu families clean their homes in anticipation of pleasing Lakshmi's spirit when she visits them. They bow in front of statues to Lakshmi, thanking her and praying for a prosperous or successful year ahead. Flowers adorn homes and businesses. Some businessmen even decorate their cars with flowers and palm fronds, hoping that Lakshmi will help their engines run well for the coming year. Diwali is a time of new beginnings, much like New Year's celebrations in other parts of the world. Diwali is celebrated differently in different parts of India. Customs vary, but nearly everywhere people delight in spending these 5 days with family and friends. They send cards to relatives and give gifts to one another. They buy new clothes for Diwali festivals. They play games, sing songs, say special prayers, and gather to share big meals. Dried fruits, nuts, and lots of sweets fill their homes. Firecrackers split the air on most nights, lighting up the sky even more during this magical Festival of Lights.